All right, before you is a 52-inch Emerson Legend 2, I believe, or just the Legend. For the time being, I'm just going to title the video Emerson Legend, unless I am told otherwise, but after doing a little bit of research, I found on the iHeart Fans website, I found a 1996 Emerson catalog. The model number on this fan is CF4252PB for polished brass. The fan I found in the 96 catalog was CF4250, which probably means that that's just a 50-inch fan. This is a 52-inch fan. And the only differences I found between the two fans, this one and the one in the catalog, was the blade brackets. These look more like the 1895 series brackets. So this makes me believe that this fan is a little older. So that's why I want to say that it's a Legend and not a Legend 2, but there are other people out there who know a little more about that than I do. So if any of the information I am talking about is incorrect, please let me know. So we'll go ahead and give it an up close and personal look here. Now, this is a handsome fan, folks. This is a very elegant looking piece here. Polished brass. It's got the nice high gloss rosewood blades. The blades are in terrific condition. There's no nicks or scratches. Emerson blades are very high quality. They're very thick, so they don't warp as easily as like Casablanca blades do. And it has the adjustable forearm light fitter. This fan, the only thing that was missing on the fan was the glass. Everything else came with it. I need to get new canopy screws too. It's not all the way screwed in there. I did not get a mounting bracket either, but very nice looking piece here. And we'll see if we can get a view of the tag up top here. Probably can't read it, but that's about as close as I'm going to get here. So we will go ahead and demonstrate it here. I just gave it a quick wipe down. I haven't really gone through it yet. I can definitely tell you that it's going to need bearings. The glass is not original. I put that glass on there. It's kind of a nice Bell milk glass. I thought it would look good on there. So let's give it a demonstration here. Very cool three-way light kit. It's a very nice feature to have. I really like that. We'll start it off on low speed. Emersons are pretty common around my parts. Obviously, they're based out of St. Louis, Missouri. I live in Jefferson City, Missouri, so they are rather common. There was a later model Legend with the crescent brackets, or the Zephyr style brackets at a Habitat, but they were just so banged up, and I didn't really, the blades were all kinds of out of whack, and I didn't really feel like messing with it, so I just let it pass. But now that I have this fan, I might take that, or I might get that fan to get parts for it, because I think this one's going to need a flywheel. There's no cracks in it, but it is rather warped, so it does wobble pretty aggressively. Low speed's nice and aesthetic, as you can see. Very quiet. And it's even got the original Emerson pole chain fob, which is very cool. Very slight motor whine from that K55, but that's pretty par for the course. And you can see this is where the wobbling starts to take place here. That flywheel is pretty out of whack if you can see it. It's kind of hopping all over the place. Terrific performer though, but a pretty nasty wobble. So I will have to do something about that. The flywheel movement kind of is reduced when it's on a faster speed. I guess the centrifugal force is kind of taking, or kind of affecting that, if you will. We'll go ahead and shut her down here. And just for fun, we'll go ahead and run through the light kit again. That's a very nice touch. I really like that feature. I don't know why all fans don't do that, but new fans kind of stink compared to something like this. So there you have it, folks. 52-inch Emerson Legend polished brass with lovely rosewood blades and milk glass. So I thank you for watching.